Hi, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to create a document right in the document library. We're here in our HR team site. Let's go to our document library. And while we're in here, we know there's several ways to go ahead and upload and add files to the document library, but you can also actually create a document right here in the document library. That'll be saved here automatically. If we come over here to the left, we see that there is a new button here, and it is a drop down. I'm going to click on it, and it brings up this list, and it shows us all the different types of documents we can create. We can create Word documents, Excel workbooks, PowerPoint presentations, a OneNote notebook, forms for Excel. This opens up the Office 365 Forms app and helps you to create a form in there. Links, and we also have options to edit this menu and add other templates. We're going to go ahead, let's create a new Word document. We're going to click there, and you see it opens up Word Online, and we have a new blank document page. Now, look up here at the top, and you'll see it has HR Team Site Shared Documents. So it's already showing us where this document is saved. And you're probably thinking, well, wait a minute, I didn't save this document yet, but SharePoint did it for us automatically. If we come over here, we see that it says saved. And look at that little pop-up. We're automatically saving your changes. So this document has already been saved in that document library, and the document is named Document. So I'm going to go ahead and change the name of this document. I'm going to call it New Document, and I did that simply by clicking there. When I click away, it is saved as the new document. And now I'm just going to put a little text in there. And we have our brand new document. Now, before we go ahead and take a look at where this is, let's come up here again. And we see that we are using the simplified ribbon. Because this button is white, this little toggle here is white, that lets me know that this is on. And actually you can look and see that it is indeed a simplified ribbon. It's basically just giving us the bare minimum editing tools right here on this ribbon. And of course we have other ribbons too, but they're all very basic, very simplified. If we want to go ahead and switch to the full ribbon, we click on that little toggle, let it refresh, and there we go. We have the full ribbon experience, and we can go and see each of those. Just a little something new I wanted to show you. We can also see over here to the right that it shows us who we're signed in as, and of course, we're signed in again as Gary Colson today. Let me switch back to the simplified ribbon. I'm going to close this document. And it closed up our team site, but we can go back to it. Go to the documents library. And we scroll through our documents, and there we see our new document, the one that we just created. And now, like I said, you can go ahead and create all of these different new documents. And I'm not going to go through each of them. The only thing that I do want to show you is the link. You can also add links in a document library. If I go ahead and click here, you'll see it's going to show me my recent documents. These are all the most recent documents that have been added in this library. But I also have a place up here to create a link to another web page or a file. So I can add links in that way as well. If I go, let's say I put in a link to the construction contract. There it is, construction contract URL. See, that is a link to that document. Now, that document lives in this folder, the contracts folder. But if I go ahead and click the link, see, it just opens up that document as if it were any of these other documents. So that is how you can create new documents right in the document library. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.